Best Auto Insurance Companies Reviewed App. The pros, the cons. Best Auto Insurance Companies Reviewed app is designed to help drivers compare coverage options, pricing, and customer service ratings. Most people get this wrong by focusing solely on premiums, but here's the surprising truth: a cheap policy isn't always the best if it lacks proper coverage or support. A major pro is comprehensive comparison. The app aggregates reviews, rates, and coverage details from multiple insurers, giving users a clear picture of their options. For example, you can see which company offers roadside assistance, accident forgiveness, or lower deductibles while staying within budget. Another advantage is convenience. Users can filter by state, coverage type, or customer ratings, saving time and avoiding endless research. You won't believe how many drivers switch to better insurers simply by reviewing accurate, up-to-date comparisons. The cons include limited personalization. Unique circumstances like classic cars or commercial vehicles may not be fully reflected in the general comparisons. Also, some apps rely on user reviews that can be biased or inconsistent. In conclusion, the Best Auto Insurance Companies Reviewed app is an essential tool for making informed decisions. It provides clarity, efficiency, and access to valuable insights that can lead to better coverage and savings. While it doesn't replace speaking directly with an insurance agent for specific needs, it's an excellent starting point for any driver seeking the right policy.